Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Google Cloud Trial Account. In this video, these following points will explain Welcome to Google Cloud Trial Account. What is Google Cloud Trial Account? How to create a Google Cloud account for free. Benefits of Google Cloud Trial Account. Case studies, real-world examples. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Get started with Google Cloud Trial Account today. Thank you for considering Google Cloud Trial Account. Welcome to Google Cloud Trial Account. Are you tired of limited storage capacity, slow processing speeds, and high costs associated with traditional data centers? Look no further than Google Cloud Trial Account. With our cutting-edge technology and flexible pricing options, businesses of all sizes can benefit from the scalability and efficiency of cloud computing. But that's not all. Google Cloud Trial Account also offers advanced security features, reliable support, and seamless integration with other Google services. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business operations and stay ahead of the competition. Sign up for Google Cloud Trial Account today. What is Google Cloud Trial Account? Google Cloud Trial Account is a free trial that allows businesses to experience the power and flexibility of Google Cloud Platform without any cost or commitment. It provides access to a range of cloud-based services, such as computing, storage, and networking, which can be used to build, deploy, and manage applications and services. The features of Google Cloud Trial Account include high-performance computing, scalable storage, powerful data analytics, and robust security. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from these features by using them to improve their operations, increase their agility, and reduce their costs. For example, small businesses can use Google Cloud Trial Account to launch new products or services quickly and efficiently, while large enterprises can use it to scale their operations and handle peak loads. How to create a Google Cloud account for free. Creating a Google Cloud account is quick and easy. To get started, go to the Google Cloud website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and billing information, although you won't be charged anything during the trial period. Once you've filled out the form, simply click Agree and Continue to create your account. Benefits of Google Cloud Trial Account. Google Cloud Trial Account offers scalability, allowing businesses to easily adjust their resources as needed without having to worry about infrastructure management. It also provides flexibility, enabling businesses to choose the tools and services that best suit their needs and integrate with their existing systems. Additionally, Google Cloud Trial Account is cost-effective, with pay-as-you-go pricing that allows businesses to only pay for what they use. FAQ, frequently asked questions. What is the pricing model for Google Cloud Trial Account? Is Google Cloud Trial Account secure and compliant with industry standards? Get started with Google Cloud Trial Account today. Google Cloud Trial Account offers a variety of benefits that can help businesses of all sizes thrive in the digital age. With its scalable infrastructure and flexible pricing plans, you can easily customize your cloud computing experience to meet your specific needs. Plus, with free credits available to new users, it's easy to get started today. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations, improve your security, or enhance your customer experience, Google Cloud Trial Account has everything you need to succeed. So why wait? Sign up now and start exploring the possibilities. Thank you for considering Google Cloud Trial Account. Thank you for considering Google Cloud Trial Account. We hope this presentation has provided you with valuable information about the benefits of using our platform. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. At Google Cloud, we are committed to providing our customers with the best possible experience. From our easy-to-use platform to our world-class support, we strive to make your journey to the cloud as seamless and enjoyable as possible.